there, welcome to another edition of these beautiful waterfalls in New Brunswick. Welcome to the Kirkpatrick Family Adventure Trail. It's the South Branch Oromocto Waterfalls within the Oromocto River Watershed. This waterfall has thousands of people that visit throughout the year. Okay, so it's going to be about 500 meters or so up through these red pines, and it's just a nice little walk among these red pines. This just gives you nature and some air to breathe in, and feels really good to be with the salt of the earth right here, South Branch Falls. So this trail is actually very easy and moderate, very flat. But when we get to the part where you have to walk down the hill, it's a little bit of a challenge, but nothing major. But you'll see how it goes anyway. There's a nice lookout when we get to the end of the trail, so you'll see that too. It just rained a couple days ago, so she's nice and full. I can just hear it. So then you turn down here and you go another couple hundred meters, but you can hear the waterfall over here down the hill. It'll be fun when we get out to the lookout. Well, the Oromocto River Watershed manages and promotes the waterfalls here in this watershed, and South Branch Falls, no exception. Here, the South Branch of the Oromocto River, and this beautiful lookout to see this magnificent waterfall, just beautiful. This lookout was built by the Oromocto River Watershed Association, and they do great work. Look them up on their website. So Tracy and David and Daisy have graciously allowed the watershed to be able to have the the public access on the trail here because they own this property. So it's called the Kirkpatrick Family Adventure Trail. So we're very, very thankful the watershed is and the general public. So, well, let's go down now to the rest of the trail, and then we'll get to the foot of the waterfall, which is really, really neat perspective as well. So let's go see it. This here is probably the most popular of all the waterfalls, and thousands of people throughout the year come and visit, and volunteers will help manage the trail, and it's all really volunteer-based and all donation-based as well. And we get some government grants too. We'll walk here to see how close we can get to the waterfall. This gives you a great perspective of the South Branch Oromocto waterfall. There's always something unique about each waterfall. It's like a fingerprint, it's like a snowflake, anything like that. There's one of a kind. There's no other waterfall like this in the world, and that's what makes it so precious. That's what makes all the waterfalls precious.